But where they in Yagasa? Because a lot of people
Well,
don't.
me a chambani as in me Pepe.
Which genre of music does Larry Hoover
Actually, I'm into hip hop.
Hip hop music,
Yeah, hip hop. Cash are the awesome people. Speak the truth and bounce your ego. Library crews, take a chance at the Kai Elementary Kindergarten. Now save a bookkeeper in a family. Be no manisa, say a prayer. Speak to the Lord, He my Redeemer.
Are you signed on any record label? Or
No, I'm not under any record
one
label.
man standing.
Yeah.
Have you been signed before?
No, never been signed.
Okay. Are you
Yeah.
that shows chase you or you chase shows?
Okay, some chase me and I do chase some as
So
well.
it's sexual fantasy.
I think 360.
There's a Jee'S studio where we make your photo shoot, wedding, funeral coverage, parties, documentaries, video commercials, and dream come true. Call us on 050-358-4133 or 055-414-3955. Jee'S Studios, DLA. Jee'S Studios, we different.
Welcome to another episode on Jee'S exclusive with the freshest almighty. What we see, and the man in black. You could see say Charlie many abre. Every week, your mama back to back. Tell me I can catch you say, oh, but here Jee'S exclusive. I know I feel down for invite a friend to invite a friend to also invite a friend. Send a bear, show the bed there. You can send in your comment, anything you want to tell Almighty. This is the channel for you. Oh, your artist. Oh, Fie. I've told you, say, I have a headquarters for fast rising musicians. Look at the talent at the studios. And you don't see it? Every week, we are promising you better talent. In fact, last week, BDA came from better days ahead. It was better talents ahead. So what you say? And then, many one great talented guy from the camps of Mefano, or Kaswa Kakra, who are not Kwasha Kakra, who are not Asha Kakra. Let me introduce my special guest, Larry Hoover.
Yes, sir.
Larry.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
So I would mind.
You share yache?
Yeah, of course.
I think Milu share
2 years ago. Right?
A few people know it was around the Kaswa. New York. Yeah. When they share, and then the performance this guy put on stage, that day, I was amazed. To me, personally, I have to approach him and take his number. Say, oh yeah, Bibina say, oh yeah, good at, I heard the pankasa. So what you Larry, then go.
So I only I'm choking.
But I said this time you have been mute. Are you working on BB and I said? And I mean, follow me.
Oh yeah, well, my project I'm working on. It's an amateur sir.
Okay. Because me share that unkan ye crash what you see. I'm hoping say you're coming back to the game, will be fireworks.
It's gonna be so fire, bro. It's gonna be so fire that people are gonna expect me.
But where they in Yagasa? Because a lot of people
well, me a chambani as in me Pepe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
From where?
From Bimbila.
Yeah. All right. Kaswa who be now?
Lawyer estate.
For how long have you been doing music?
Okay, officially I started around 2019.
2019.
So I should say 4 years now.
4 years now. How many singles? How many EPs? Any albums?
I got singles, around 20 singles, and I've got like 3 EPs.
Okay.
Already.
Coming back to the game,
All right.
How do you see the industry as well as an artist who has been here for like a very long time?
Well, I do see progress, but we still need more. We still need more room for improvement.
Okay. You think there's gonna be?
Oh yeah, there's more room for improvement in this. There's gonna be some wonderful stuff coming, soon. Yeah.
Who do you resemble in the game? Who nama one that can say like what's it because the person main artist, but I don't want to say it.
Well, say looks in the name. Nobody sings now.
But as I say, we need busy signal. Yeah, like you jam in a way.
I've never heard that. This is my first time.
Which genre of music does Larry Hoover?
Actually, I'm into hip hop.
Hip hop music.
Hip hop.
Give me some freestyle. We can see some.
Okay.
Larry Hoover.
You know how it goes, man. Yo, shout out to everybody watching, man. This your boy Hoover out here representing. That's how it do, man. Alright, some freestyle session. Need some cash at the owe some people. Speak the truth and bounce your ego. Life be cruise, take a chance at the Kai Elementary Kindergarten. Now save a bookkeeper in a family. Be no manisa, say a prayer. Speak to the Lord, He my Redeemer. But some judge by the cold gun me. I'm thinking, I'm sinking, suffocating, I'm thinking.
Larry Hoover. Bless up, bless up. So now, currently, what is the project you are pushing?
Okay, actually, I just dropped a song for my Hoover Nation. You know, I have a crew called Hoover Nation.
Hoover Nations, okay.
Yeah, so I dropped an anthem for them.
All right. So are you signed on any record label? Or
No, I'm not under any record
one
label.
man standing.
Yeah.
Have you been signed before?
No, never been signed.
Okay. Are you expecting to be signed?
Yeah, well, if the deal is good, why not? Yeah, if the deal is good.
What will make the deal good for you?
Depends on the duration, you know, the whatever they want to give me.
Okay.
As well. Yeah.
Duration when I'll be accepted. 10 years.
Oh no, come on. 2 years. 2, 3 years.
Because now we don't sign 2 years again. It's probably 5, 10.
That's what they're trying to say, but negotiation.
Okay.
What they say.
Alright.
If you can.
And it should be 360. Yeah. That's true. Does music pay you? Do you get paid doing music?
Well, when we say pay, I will not say music pays me so far.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I'm just trying to push myself out there for free for now.
Okay.
Because, you know, send our best start TV, I say start TV, I say, want to push work now.
Okay.
And sign up for better man hold it on. So right now I'm just pushing. I'm not thinking about the payment, you know.
So you haven't gotten any achievements with regards to
well, achievements, when we say achievements, regards to awards, I've been nominated several times.
Several times,
exactly.
Yes, I've seen
I've
some
nominated
things
several times, but I don't have an award yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
So it means you don't put yourself on the chest there. This is what I've achieved after doing music.
Nah, I don't think I've achieved.
But even sitting here is an achievement.
Oh well, if you put it in, put it in that.
You know, you are going places. So that too is.
Well, I do go places. I do go places. Yeah.
I see that.
Yeah.
So are we going to see you appearing every time with your shades like this?
Oh no, sometimes, you know, I just have to wear it to keep myself.
But you look handsome. Oh, what?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. We are so mad.
You know.
So so far so good.
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges Hoover is going through as a recording artist?
Distribution. Yeah, distribution the music. Because
you don't.
I was saying to me 2 years scanning idea and son I'll be to me the music now to Apple Music and everywhere.
That's true.
Which is very challenging to most of the underground artists.
Okay.
So we need manager and I say we need label and I'll be able to help you where start.
Yeah. So how do you get connected to shows? Because I've been seeing you on most of the shows and I'm amazed. How do you get connected to most of the shows? Because I said, Kaswa shows in any other places, what shows in
well, you know, it's a global world. So it's an internet world. It is you know, if you spend much of your time on internet,
that shows chase you or you chase shows.
Okay, some chase me and I do chase some as well.
So it's a win-win something.
Exactly.
50-50. That's true. But have you seen CBB share anymore? You know.
All right.
So every week we have to put our artists on their spots. Now, anything that they choose, somebody can get money. You can get anything here. So. Sure. You have 2 slots, but this is the first time. It's only first one. So now you have back to the you know. So here now we artist, send a Larry Hoover exhibiting a talent in live on Jee'S television. Wow, talented man. So we see you. So you have to just call us and then make sure say otherwise then they will call us on 05 5841 33.
Wow.
After you know, you want to come and advertise anything on Jee'S exclusive is allowed. In fact, I am for the breakers. Hey, me promo TV so huge. It's just a call. Very bold step. So what you say? Now, who difference a woman? So what you say? Larry, I say what's restless.
I say my one.
Yeah. I say what's up. Will you read or I should read for you?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Okay, you read it for
what is your dirtiest sexual fantasy?
Yeah,
Larry.
Hey, don't
want
to try it.
Production.
Okay, good. I'll answer it anyway.
Sexual fantasy.
I think 360.
And then 360.
Well, you had it right too. You should know it's very dirty.
Yeah.
You know?
And then 360. I mean,
Oh.
minimum 360. What is 360? How do you do 360?
Well, say a cat 360. Send out home 360. As in,
A kind of say.
crowd. It is
Simpler.
Oh, line, oh, yeah. 6996.
But I'm a bad guy, man. So far, so good.
Bro.
Project now, we promote this year. I want us to talk about it before I ever sign off real quick. You know,
Right.
where do we get? We say project in the
Hoover Nation Anthem.
Hoover Nation Anthem. And I feel you been here, and I feel never.
Oh, well, baby.
yeah,
It's already out on all platforms.
Okay.
Just get it. TikTok, Spotify, everywhere.
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 All right. If say you pay Larry Hoover, the number shows, the Oko program be for features and all that. So what's
Yes,
the
sir.
arrangements?
Well, you can just hit me up on any of my socials, or you just take my email and you can text me at any time.
All right. Before I go, no, these are handles in the way to do that. But what is the craziest things you've ever heard that put you off? Say, Charlie, I shouldn't have it here. Like you just went off.
You can't do it.
Have you heard some before?
Yeah. Somebody tell me you can't do it. Like, it really puts me off. Yeah.
When was that?
Several times, like, through interactions.
Like,
I mean, that's the main
You used to
word.
hear that.
Exactly.
But why do you think people keep on asking that?
Because I know myself that I can do it. And then through their, achievements or with what they've learned or their knowledge, they feel like you can't do it. So it's their feeling.
Obia can't you say you look scary before?
Scary.
Like, as a way too hard
No.
in a way.
Not yet. Because I'm
Not
actually very soft.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm actually very
What do you do aside music?
Oh, I'm a businessman. Yeah, I sell phones, I sell clothing, as in everything.
That's fine.
I think I've told you before.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was our last.
Yeah.
I
But
haven't
you quite a last lot na film for
Okay.
with social handles and
Sure.
to just so that you can have some interaction with some of your fans out there. So Larry Hoover is our special guest on Jee'S exclusive this week.
All right, easy.
Easy.
Sing a verse from your favorite artist song.
And who is your favorite artist?
Omar Sterling.
Omar Sterling.
Yeah.
From R2B's fame.
Straight up.
That's true.
I'm
That's
losing
true.
faith in humanity. We are in a fake society. It's hard
Yeah.
to be yourself. You ought to be somebody's property.
Hey, Larry Hoover.
That's how it is.
Nice one. But why him? Because I know say a lot of people are out there, and now you look up to a lot of people.
Well, when we come to Ghana, I look up to him actually because I feel like he's my big brother.
Okay.
Because we come from the same place.
From
Bimbila.
Tema? Oh, Bimbila. Okay.
And at the same time, we've been in the same place at Tema.
Wow.
And at the same time,
Coincidence.
Exactly. And at the same time, we link up. Exactly. So
you have any projects there you want to put him on? One
Yeah, I wish to put him on any of my projects.
Okay.
But I have a project with Jee'S.
Movies. Wow. That's a great movie.
Very soon.
Out and I
very
feel
soon.
there.
I feel like it was.
Wow.
Yeah.
You are a big man. You are doing well, you know. So
Crack.
your social media handles, anything you want to tell your fans there?
Oh well, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, IG at it's Hoover ITS HOOVER _ everywhere. Everywhere is the same thing. HITS HOOVER _ everywhere.
Oh, that's fine.
You get
Any shout outs to?
Oh well, shouts
Everybody
to
watching.
first shouts. Forget everything.
Yeah.
Shouts to Variety.
Yeah,
for
Larry
putting me on
Hoover.
the show, man. Yeah, that's a big shout.
Yeah.
Man. Shouts to G Production,
Yeah,
Jee'S Television. Yeah, shouts to everybody streaming this thing right now. Shouts to my mama. Shouts to my brother. Shouts to my fans, man. Hoover Nation, we out here, Charlie. One nation. That's how we do.
Somebody says you sound foreign. Have you traveled outside before?
Oh, I never been anywhere, bro.
Yeah, Charlie, that's
Never
dope,
been
man.
outside,
Charlie.
bro.
So
That's how
that
it
was
works.
man like Larry Hoover.
Yeah.
One guy represented hip hop in Kaswa and beyond. In fact, he's been international. Seeing a project here, but a lot of things coming from his camp.
For sure.
It's if you now an artist out trending. This is the place. I've been telling you this. Very simple. Just a call away. Now so move to say Jee'S television. Obi who can say meet me friend. Everywhere you are. This place production, unity. Oba ya Jee'S first no better nasi. Ya hwetwe come on always saying. So I say pick up your cell phone, make sure you are calling us, and then any project that you are having. Mama find no interview. Of course. Crawler na and the APA will come but me say no money view 0503584133. I feel so menda dwumakuo ase every week bia no omoma ye the kind of morale say ye metina se anima ye se de ebia onim dia menya o me phone so onim dia mate o me kotokuo mu wa hu sin no Yobo gang eso yasene and I feel so Ades beauty clinic, Ades unisex boutique, and I feel so Ades natural foods. Anything about Tom Brown, those natural foods get you covered. Ades unisex collection rather. So what you say? And I feel so Aya, one of the best clothing lines in town, African print, got you covered. So what you say? Frejuma ko we nyina 0503584133. I go by the name Almighty Variety. Next week, you don't know who is coming. To meet again, same time, Almighty, you are out of here.
Ain't ya dinner na ya no to free cereal me ya na chichime na se come ya no dada me la se mi jai mawa